Dear viewers, this is a cheese factory. Here we make cheese.
Come here.
So the stones hang dangerously. Don't forget your roots.
And in the iconic place of Borjomi.
The hotel is awesome.
Awesome hotel. I really want to mention the quality of the materials here. Just furniture, wood, plumbing.
Good morning.
Tomorrow is generally a bomb just.
Yes, the hotel is awesome, Alan.
Simple.
Very cool. Guys, I brought it here. Do you know where? For Sam. Nastia, in short, does not get enough sleep, poor. He spends the whole night on the phone, writes, posts pasta on Instagram to do all this. Now it's like this.
Piggy.
Piggy, tell the audience, dude, where he's going. Somewhere we were lucky once again.
Yes, I have once again brought you to a very interesting place, dear viewers. This is a cheese factory, and a small one at that. This production belongs to the chairman of the Cheesemakers of Georgia, which restores absolutely fanatically ancient recipes. He has such cheeses, such types that you will go crazy. We'll show you everything now. This is a factory, a new factory. There was a warehouse for tractors here. We redid it, we won the tender, that is, we bought this territory at an auction. The state gave me grunge, and I bought equipment. Everyone likes the Georgian project. Is this where we make cheese? Yes.
These are all kinds of cheeses, right?
No, there are only 3% here.
And this is red, what is it? Beetroot?
She's basking in it right now.
Yes.
Oh, wax?
Yes.
And you went to the villages to collect old recipes.
Collecting recipes, including I started digging in museums. Because the recipe for how cheese is made is one thing, and the other is what it was made in. I came up with this cheese, this young cheese, I came up with such a jug also made of cheese. What's it all about? Yes, everyone, everything will be called that, and she is very interesting. Here. And now. Honey plays the role of a vacuum here.
He takes
honey and that's it.
And that's the slope.
Not processed a lot of times a week. We drove on and on.
We've arrived.
Yes.
We haven't arrived yet. And now to go. Hey, guys. How are you? Here I am. Enough. Come here.
Look, guys, we are not in vain. I understand that everyone is tired, but we did not come here in vain. And why is this place located at this end of geography? Because here Queen Tamara hid with her royal family from raids. That is, this is the place where the enemy was killed. There are many rooms there. That is, it is a whole city. Good luck to you.
Sasha, are you ready?
Danger is my middle name.
What time is it?
And your middle name is Plated.
How long will you be there?
What? No.
Yes, not.
Write in the comments. How?
Got it.
Yes. What kind of Roma will be driven? That's how our tour begins.
FR, cool. Now this is an interesting excursion becoming interesting.
Come here. Go, fire at all. Yes, there are whole moves here.
You're standing in the black.
Come here.
You're not standing. Similar.
Insert it. Morons, right? The fattest mansions were probably over there.
There is no passage, but it looks like some kind of church.
Well, you can climb on a rock and look. Oh, yes, the church, really. You can even put candles here. Think about it. Everything is covered with icons.
It's complete.
Ass. On the ass?
On which one here? Which I lifted my leg and tore.
Guys, hello to everyone. Today there will be an issue about Vardia. This is the place where Queen Tamara lived with her father George. Now monks live here. In general, a very interesting place. So, let's go. What? Shall we go? There's a ladder here. See here, it is quite low. So the stones hang dangerously. Here, like the bedroom was probably, yes, maybe a sauna. Yes, in general, guys, you can walk for hours here.
That's probably it.
Enjoy. People used to live here, but now tourists go and see how people are and such. Why?
Hello, are you a guide? Hello, yes.
Hello there.
Well, welcome. How to supply with water. They made a water pipe. It is 3.5 kilometers long. Clay ceramic pipes were embedded in it. Just look where the sheer cliff is. In the north there is a storyline.
Here's the tunnel.
Here he goes. Did you see?
Yeah.
And there. Here are such ceramic pipes to submit.
In general, guys, these are the ceramic pipes there.
It was sitting there instead of the main monk. Ivish is a fragment of a stone ass. That's where she stands. Dishes. Look, I said that in every cave there are such depths. Here they are bakeries with clay. They have survived to us. And there's a wine cellar. There's a small province somewhere. There are 28 wine cellars and 235 kshins in Ardi. There are 4 wine cellars where the jugs have been preserved unbroken, but they are in inaccessible places. You won't get in there, it's impossible. This is a temple. Unfortunately, the temple is closed. At the end of October last year there was a fire here. There are 14 small churches in Ardea. There are very large caves near these churches, but they lived there, a monarch of a non-male family, and there is also a tomb for them.
It's all a finger, look.
If the enemy entered here, where we are, they threw stones from above through the tube or poured hot water over it. If after that the enemy was able to go through the tunnel, when we go up, I will show the hole where one person came from. He killed 1 or 2 enemies from above. Please go.
Are we going there now?
Intelligence. Finally action. We won't be there for it. We're all okay, right? But what are you eating first?
Here's the hole, you see, here. And where did one person come from? One at a time from the top. What? Killed the enemy here.
And how did he kill?
With a spear.
With a spear?
There was a bunker covered with a stone slab. See what a place it is here. Well, Percy still broke this slab.
Didn't pass.
They were hiding, they hid 20 monks. They caught them, burned them at the stake in the temple alive.
Right here, stones were thrown at a corner and burning hot oil.
Kick-ass.
It's scary. There is a back entrance in front, which is 60-something meters, and there were 4 of them here. 3 are filled up, 1 is active. Look at the height. So that you understand.
We climb these tunnels, right? Here I am, even with my height, in principle, I do not feel discomfort, but it always seemed to me that the people who lived then a long time ago, they were all small. But nevertheless, yes, right now he is climbing a rock in which people there in the 1st, in the 2nd century of our era dug passages, tunnels, secret rooms of all kinds. And you don't feel, well, yes, that you're cramped.
People get used to the good and stop noticing that you're sleeping on a normal bed. Don't forget your roots.
Who have I got here? Who was little waiting for me, missed me?
He's lying here on pillows, waiting for Uncle Sasha to come and feed him. You have coals here, right?
Uli is here, and rabbits are there.
FR.
And then you go down again at the bottom of the chicken and pigs.
Let's go see the rabbits, yes.
Hi there, rabbit. My pretty hello thumb to you. Breakfast, dinner, and accommodation.
Breakfast.
1 person, I learned.
Accommodation for 1 person.
That is, I think it's about 2,000 rubles. And there is wine for dinner.
Is there any wine?
Yes, him. Practically. What's in the bank?
Pickles, yes, all sorts of different, yes. In general, mountain river trout. Rum, do you want it? Can you refuse?
Our hotel. We are in the iconic place of Borjomi. Borjomi. Do you feel it? It smells. Do you feel it? Do you feel it? Do you feel it? We'll live together.
We'll stick together. Wow, Roma. Damn it. Cool.
Just look at how many cabinets there are, all with a backlight. Is it okay? Such a number. Like we had in Las Vegas.
Awesome. Is this a terrace? Yes. A man.
FR.
Holy shit. To see, this balcony will be ours tonight.
Let's go and see yours.
Listen, well, a mini version of something. No, well, the room is cool, what?
A normal number, yes. It's our time, guys.
The time has come.
Guys, we go to Splam's.
And the girls were hanging out.
They're taking it off. Or not, yes. And we'll be hanging out in the foam. Of course, we got into the elevator. And you don't want to call the floor.
Well, just a bunch.
You know how powerful the hall is here. Okay, then we'll work out. At first, massage. What's there? A naked man?
Approximately.
There was a naked man lying there.
I saw it.
Well, we'll go check out what our girls are doing there. Wow, girls, 8 girls, are you naked? Are you naked?
Just such a warm, cool foam and hot stone.
Nastia, how are you?
The girls are naked.
Have you checked?
Yes.
Have a good rest. Cool. Huge in general. Well, Koran, check the water. Warm?
Awesome, yes. It's nice.
Look, guys, what a toilet. Simple. Why what? Here you can go crazy. Look. That is, a shower room with a combined toilet. How do you like it? I see, are you happy? Are you sleepy? What did you sleep there? Now we're off. Bye.
Sasha, sports massage.
Sporty.
Yes.
Sporty.
Well, who? Guys, we're out. This is an unreal massage. But I had such a massage.
Did you have a sports one?
Yeah, he's awesome. He's just awesome. I've never seen a better massage. Let's go to bed faster. Tomorrow at 5 rise.
And his sports one like this.
Pa 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 pa.